Hi guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle I will do today. A tectonic with one star. Tectonic with one star. Not in today's newspaper because today Sunday actually. Sunday June the 5th, and on Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, especially on Whit Sunday. Tomorrow also, but tomorrow here it's Whit Monday. No, it's the additional of Saturday. Yesterday's newspaper, June the 4th, 2022. I've already solved two puzzles, the letter Sudoku and Sudoku with 2 stars. It's time now for the Tectonic with 1 star. And this will be number 4656. Yeah. 4656. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 18 printed digits. Should be an easy one. For a 1-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We will see. So let's get started. All right. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? I see here the single box. Here also a single box. Single box is always a 1. Following question, do we see here dual boxes? I see here only one dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 dual box. Triple box then. I see here also 1 triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3, but the 3 is already filled in, so those 2 boxes should be the 1 or a 2. Do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Triple box, and when you see a triple box, remember, the box near the middle box, this is the middle box, this box can only be 4 or 5. The 4 we already have here in this area, so it cannot be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5 then, alright. Triple box. Then do we have here in this puzzle quadra boxes? I see here quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, those 2 boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this quadra box for the numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 and the 4. Okay, only 1 quadra box. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, we have here the Z or the S construction. This is the S. This is the Z. Let me draw this here. All right. Can you see those? Yes. When you see the Z construction, remember, this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. All right. So this box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. All right. Here, another one, the S or the Z. If you flip this or mirror this, this box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. In this case, it's a 3. Okay, so now we have 2 numbers left in this S or Z construction. The 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2. Let me mark those. 1 and 2. This box is connected with that box, so be also 1 or a 2. Alright, then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Alright. And I believe, no, we have one shape left, or figure, structure, construction, whatever you name it. This is shape. Let me draw this here. Alright, when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay, So in this case, it's a 3. This box should be a 3. All right. Yes, this box should be a 3. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize, figures, constructions, or structures that you need to recognize for this puzzle. 1, 2, 3. 3 that you need to recognize. There are more. I believe there are 6, maximum of 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes or figures or structures or constructions. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. All right. Okay. Then we have 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4. It goes there. Alright, I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. It should be a 4, cannot be a 5. It's in the same area. Alright, the 4. So 2 numbers left now. The 1 and the 2 as a pair. But we already have a 1 here, so it cannot be 1 anymore. This box should be a 2. And that box should be a 1. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. 1 box left in this Z construction or S construction for number 2. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 2. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 3. Can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3. Can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Then these 2 boxes can be 1. This box can be a 1, and that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. It should be a 4. Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. Alright. This box can be a 3. And this box cannot be also a 2. So the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 3, 2 and 3. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. Alright. Then. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. Let me mark those. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Alright. Let me think. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Yeah, I'm thinking. 3. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Let me go up. This box can be a 1. This box can be a 2. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. That means that this box can be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 supposed to be there, and the 4 goes here. Now we have a 2 here. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. Alright, 2 and a 3, okay. Then these 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. I'm thinking These two boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 4, but also this box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there, so the 2 and the 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. 1 digit left in this area for number 5. These two boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 4 because we have a double 4 there, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 4 there. That means that this box cannot be a 4 anymore. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So the 4 is supposed to be here, and the 2 goes there. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Let me see. 1, 2. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Then 1, 2, 4, can be 5. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. We have a double 5 there. Definitely a 3 here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. That means that this box cannot be a 2 or a 5. We have a double 2 there, double 5 there. So the 2 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. But we already have a 2 there. So this box can't be 2 anymore. This box should be a 5. And that box should be a 2. Alright, this box is connected with that box. Should be a 2. 1 box left in this area for number 3. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this Z construction for number 3. And the 4, 3 and the 4, we have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Then I think we have marked those two boxes with a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes here. 1 box left in this area for number 3. Alright, I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. This box should be a 3. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 4. Finish in 30 minutes. Told you, faster than 50 minutes I need for a Tectonic with 1 star. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. Playlist for the Tectonic, playlist for the binaries, playlist for the letter Sudoku. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, and also for the samurai Sudokus, aka quintuplet. All kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Whit Sunday. We will see you tomorrow on Whit Monday. Until then, bye bye for now.